The term sharing economy is a poorly defined buzzword, commonly used to describe Airbnb, Uber, and other platform businesses. In this chapter, Stefan Reinhold and I discuss the terms sharing economy, collaborative consumption, and peer-to-peer accommodation. And we analyze which of those terms accurately describes Airbnb. The term sharing economy, despite its wide uptake, has never been defined in a consistent, broadly accepted way. It is not a good term to describe Airbnb because facilitating the trading of spaces, which is what Airbnb does with its online platform, has little to do with the concept of sharing. The only exception is Airbnb's space donation program, which we will discuss in another chapter. The term collaborative consumption is also not suitable to describe Airbnb's activities. To collaborate means to work jointly with others or together. Nobody works together with anyone else on Airbnb. The host presents a space on an online platform. The guest pays for short-term access to it. Hosts and guests do not collaborate on producing or even modifying the space to make it more suitable to the guest or more lucrative to the host. And most surprisingly to us, the term peer-to-peer accommodation platform facilitator is no longer an accurate descriptor for today's version of Airbnb either. Peer-to-peer accommodation is space suitable for overnight stays sold by a non-commercial provider, the host, to an end user, the guest, for short-term use through direct interaction between host and guest. Since its inception, Airbnb has expanded its offerings. It now also serves as a distribution channel for professional accommodation providers such as hotels. Hotels are not non-commercial providers, and the increase of investor hosts who outsource day-to-day hosting work to full-service hosting providers means that there is increasingly no more direct interaction between hosts and guests. We conclude that all three terms fail to characterize today's Airbnb accurately and should not be used to avoid misunderstandings about Airbnb's business model.